welcome back to my channel. My name is Faz, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to do an unboxing of a bag that I recently purchased. So the bag that I purchased is somewhat a high-end and luxury bag, but to be honest, compared to other brands and other luxury bags, it's more affordable and more budget friendly, to be honest. And also I have to mention that I purchased this bag from Farfetch. The reason why I did this is because I had a 10% discount code and it was about to run out and be expired, so that's why I took the plunge and just decided to go for it, and I purchased this designer bag for myself basically. As I mentioned before, this bag is a designer bag and a high-end luxury bag, but compared to other brands, it's more affordable and budget friendly. So I just decided to treat myself and buy myself this bag. I also have to mention that I received this package over a week ago, and I have been trying to contain myself and just wait and do this video with you guys because I wanted this to be a true and raw unboxing. And I have the package here. As you can see, it is from Farfetch. So I just opened the box, and in the box you will receive your proof of purchase slash your invoice, which obviously I'm not going to show this because it has my address and I don't want to show my address on the internet. So let's put that aside. And I've also got the bag, which is still wrapped up in paper. So the bag also comes in this dust bag to obviously protect it because it's made of real leather. So let's take it out. Wow. This is really nice. That is such a nice color for a bag, honestly. And I think this bag goes with both summer and winter weather. It's perfect for all seasons, in my opinion. So I purchased the Jacquemus Le Petit Nœud bag. That's the full name of it. So here it is. Obviously it comes with the tag and everything because I just opened this bag. You just open it like that. It's like a magnetic closure. Obviously this is the long strap for the bag if I want to have it like a crossbody bag or even on your shoulder. tried to show you guys what I can fit in this bag, and as you could see, it's not a lot. But to me, that's a good thing, because to be honest, I always tend to carry a lot of clutter and junk with me in my bag, which is not good. But if that's something that bothers you guys, and you can't fit all your essentials in this bag, then obviously this is not for you, and you don't want to obviously waste your money and purchase this bag for you to not be able to use it or fit anything into it. But again, as I said, for me that's a good thing, because I don't want to carry a lot of junk with me. It's just all the essentials and necessities that I need. I am not going to use this bag on a daily basis. I will only use this for special occasions and obviously for going out. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and obviously, as I mentioned before, I am not trying to show off in this video. I am far from that, and I just wanted to obviously treat myself and unbox this bag with you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.